Hi all, in this video we will discuss how to insert the record to SQL Server table using class file in ASP.NET. So I have designed this page with employee name, address, mobile, email and password. Going to stop the application and we have a table with employee ID. It is auto generate and primary key field, employee name, address, mobile, email and password. So first I am going to create a class file. So right click on website, add new item. So move to the code and select the class file. So by default name will be class 1. Click on add button to add the class file. So first I am going to create the constructor to give a connection string. So constructor is created. It has the same name as a class name, and some variable which is needed to create the method and constructor is a SQL connection. But before it we need to provide the namespace is using system.data.sql client to work with the database and using system.data. Now the variable is SQL connection, create its object and SQL command for insert query. Okay, now in a constructor use a con variable new SQL connection. As per the rules we have to put the connection in string in double quote and @ sign. So select the connection string, copy it and paste here. You can open the connection in constructor, connection open. Now move to our employee register page and publicly you can create the object of our class file, and before it here also we need to take a namespace is using system.data.sql client and using system.data. So create the object of class file. Our class file name is class 1. Create its object equals to new class 1. So now connection string is called. Now to insert the records, first going to generate the button click event and write the insert statement and stored in a queue variable. So insert into table name is employee and the fields name, values keyword and the name of the tools. So first one is CID is auto generate, so we will not write it. So we will start with the EMP name. Second one address, yes address. Next is mobile, email and last one is password. Okay, so now for employee name we have a varchar type, so we will take a single double plus plus double single txt ename dot text. Next one is a address, so same because we have a varchar type, it's a txt address dot text. Third one is a mobile, so we have an integer or numeric type, so we will not take a single quote, txt mobile dot text. Fourth one is email ID, it's a txt email dot text, and last one is a password, so we have a varchar type, so same syntax will be applied. It's a txt password dot text. Okay, so now query is ready and it will store in a queue variable. So now we are going to create the method for insert statement in a class file. So move to class file and create a method which return a boolean value and the method name. You can give anything and pass a parameter. So now take a CMD and provide the query and connection string. CMD will execute the query with the help of execute non-query method and it will return true. Okay, so it is ready. Now directly you can use this method here with the help of class object is c1 dot action and provide the query, and we will give a script message is response dot write is script text start script over alert is record inserted. Okay, so it is ready now. I'm going to put the debug point so we can understand the flow, how it works. Going to run the website. It will take a second to load. Yes, so going to enter the name, so Smith, address, mobile number, it's an email ID, yes, and the password. Click on add button, so it will redirect you in employee registration page where we have put the debug point. Click on F11 key, it will redirect you in a class file where you have created the method for execution of the query. You can see the query in a queue variable. Again F11 query will be executed and it will return the result and the message will be displayed. It's a record inserted. Stop the application and you can see the records in the table. Yes, it is. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe my channel.